class 9 chemistry, we will start with the another three reaction. That is, one is double displacement reaction, that is precipitation reaction, and redox reaction, in which oxidation and reduction process takes place simultaneously. So these three reaction and how actually this reaction takes place, some example also we will take. By this we can tell them these are the different three reaction which are actually first one is double displacement, another is precipitation reaction, and another is redox reaction. So let's start with the double displacement reaction.
Now we will start with the double displacement reaction, a reaction in which the two reacting ionic compound exchange their corresponding ions is called double displacement reaction. The typical double displacement reaction, if we see that silver nitrate react with sodium chloride, that is AgNO3 plus NaCl in aqueous solution, then it change into NaNO3 plus AgCl. In case of BaCl2 plus H2SO4, if we see that 2HCl and BaSO4, that is two ions are exchanged between them, that is actually double displacement reaction. Now move on to the another topic, that is a precipitation reaction. That is a reaction in which one of the product form in an insoluble substance and is thrown out of the solution as solid, that is called precipitate, is called the precipitation reaction. The substance that is separate out and as precipitate is indicated by downward arrow. This is actually precipitation precipitate. Actually, by this way we can show in this reaction. So reaction between silver nitrate and sodium chloride, AgNO3 plus NaCl, that is AgCl plus NaNO3. Here AgCl actually white precipitate is there. In case of reaction with BaCl2 and H2SO4, that is also BaSO4 precipitate as white substance, and 2HCl will be there. So this is actually called the precipitation reaction. One another reaction is there, that is PbNO3, that is aqueous PbNO3 whole twice plus H2S, then actually comes as PbS, that is black precipitate is there, and 2HNO3 will be there. So these are actually the explanation of this is this precipitation reaction. Now move on to the another topic, that is called the oxidation reduction, that is redox reduction. Redox reaction, reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, is called oxidation reduction reaction. If it is displacement of copper in case of Zn plus CuSO4, Zn zinc react with copper sulfate, then copper reduced in Cu, and Zn oxidized oxidation is there, that is ZnSO4 it form. So displacement of copper from copper sulfate solution by zinc is called redox reaction. Here also zinc metal get oxidized to Zn plus 2 ion, and Cu plus 2 ion is in the solution get reduced to Cu metal. This metal displacement redox reaction can be described with ionic equation. If we see Zn plus Cu plus 2, then Zn plus 2 and also plus Cu, and that is here Zn to Zn plus 2 means actually loss of electron, and Cu plus 2 to Cu, that is actually gain of electron. By this way also we can show the redox reaction. Displacement of silver nitrate when react with Zn, and then also ZnNO3 whole twice, and also 2Ag, that is actually the displacement of silver metal from silver nitrate solution by zinc scrap. In case of thermit reaction also sometimes reaction of iron oxide with aluminium powder, Fe2O3 plus 2Al, then Al2O3 plus 2Fe. In case of reaction between iron and sulfur on heating, then also Fe plus S, this comes as FeS. So these are the reaction by which we can show the redox reaction. Here also energy changes in case of some chemical reaction. During all chemical reaction, energy is form of heat, light, electricity, or sound is either liberated or absorbed. The chemical equation for such chemical reaction, if we write the reactant equal to that product plus energy, then energy liberated, and reactant plus energy, that is product, energy is absorbed. So at this stage we can describe that heat energy is either absorbed or evolved. That reaction in which heat is evolved, that is called exothermic reaction. Reaction in which heat is absorbed, that is endothermic reaction. So why do you observe heat changes in chemical reaction? Because to break the bonds in reactant molecule, energy is absorbed, that is bond breaking, that is endothermic process. During the formation of new bond product molecule, energy is released, that is bond formation, that is called exothermic reaction. So energy change in any reaction is equal to the difference between the energy absorbed during bond breaking and energy released during bond formation. So by this way we can show that energy change during a reaction, energy absorbed during the bond breaking process minus energy evolved during the bond formation process. So these are the way by which we can show the energy changes next day we will start with the reaction which actually heat is either absorbed or evolved. So today up to that, next we will start with another